are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another beautiful collection of hand embroidery designs. Guys, as all of you could see that today's video is somewhat unique in itself, as your eyes would be dancing and having a very beautiful and colorful combination of floral patterns. Yes friends, you have heard me right. Today's video is totally based on one type of fabric color, that is black. How you can design your dresses with the help of colorful embroidery patterns for black dresses, different type of embroidery motifs, floral embroidery motifs, side bunches, side necklines, different type of all over creative heavy floral bunches, along with an exquisite touch of fresh like vegetable or fruits embroidery have been shown. Some sort of deep and royal colors of embroidery have been shown to give you a more precise, eye-catchy and amazing look. Guys, you can make these onto your shirts, onto your skirts, onto your different bottoms of your kameez, kurti or gowns. Even you can also make these very beautiful patterns as an exquisitely elegant creative patterns for your DIY items. Like you can embroider your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, quilt cover, tablecloths. Even you can embroider your curtains to give them a more formal and royal look. I would recommend you to exactly use the same combination of threads for making the floral patterns of embroidery to get the exact decent and delicate touch for your dress. For neckline embroidery, you can make your dresses more beautiful and pretty, and the creativity and beauty of these dresses is that they could be worn for and used for any type of fabric material, that is for summer, for winter, for intermix fabrics. Even you can embroider your jackets and you can pull them over as an additional extra treat to your shirts, tops, bottom, and along with your kurti. So different type of stylized patterns of heavy borderline style embroidery patterns could be made onto the borders of your sari pallus, onto your strollers, scarves, shirts, dupattas, and any type of dresses. Even you can design your baby girl dresses with the help of these very beautiful and pretty patterns of hand embroidery. All of these floral colorful patterns of embroidery specially designed onto the black color fabric base would give an extra delightful treat to your wardrobe. So I would recommend you to do try these patterns, and in the comment section comment below that which design you like the most and let us know which design you have tried, because our channel is an ultimate treat for the hand embroidery lovers, for the hand embroidery beginners, and for the hand embroidery artists. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.